Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope my all friends and family members will be fine. Today I have very amazing and very gorgeous, beautiful mini crochet pugs ideas. Beautiful pug, stylish pug, most demanding and most attractive pug ideas, different colors, beautiful style, different looks. Beautiful toy pug for babies and kids. You can easily decor your home with beautiful, wonderful pug. So if you like this video and if you also love my channel and my ideas, so please subscribe my channel. Like this video, share this video and enjoy this video. Beautiful mini pug. Stay connected, stay healthy, stay safe. Lots of love all my commenters, subscribers and your family members. See you again. Bye bye.